Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SendGrid affiliate program for email delivery step by step clearly. To activate the SendGrid affiliate program for email delivery, first, navigate to the SendGrid website. Look for the affiliate or partner program section, usually found in the footer of the home page. Click on the link to enter the affiliate program details page. Review the program features and benefits to ensure it aligns with your goals. Find the Sign Up or Join Now button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Complete any verification steps, such as confirming your email address. Once logged in, access the affiliate dashboard. Review the terms and conditions presented for the affiliate program. Accept the terms to proceed with your affiliate account activation. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as payment preferences and tax details. Fill in the necessary fields accurately to avoid any issues with payment. After submitting your details, wait for confirmation of your application approval. Once approved, you'll gain access to your unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Familiarize yourself with the marketing resources provided in the dashboard. Use your affiliate link in email campaigns or on your website to promote SendGrid. Monitor your affiliate performance through the dashboard for tracking clicks and conversions. Follow up with regular updates from SendGrid to stay informed about promotions and offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.